Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washers, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the 16L Mini Washer. In today's video, we'll explore their features, performance, and suitability for different lifestyles. Whether you're looking for a robust solution for your home or a compact option for travel, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the details. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer boasts a significant capacity of 1.7 cubic feet, allowing it to handle larger loads such as towels and bedding, making it ideal for small families. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 liters, which is suitable for washing smaller items like socks and underwear, perfect for travelers or those with limited laundry needs. This substantial difference in capacity makes the BLACK+DECKER a more versatile option for regular use, while the portable washer excels in portability. When it comes to operation, the BLACK+DECKER is fully automatic, offering a set-and-forget experience with multiple wash cycles and temperature settings. This means you can load your laundry, select your cycle, and walk away. On the other hand, the portable washing machine operates semi-automatically, requiring manual filling and draining, which may be less convenient for some users. This distinction highlights the BLACK+DECKER's suitability for those seeking a more traditional washing experience in a compact form. In terms of portability, the BLACK+DECKER weighs 70.5 pounds and is designed for stationary use, making it less ideal for frequent moves. It features wheels for easier relocation, but its size requires dedicated space. Conversely, the portable washing machine is incredibly lightweight at just 4.5 pounds and folds down to a mere 6 inches thick, making it perfect for travel, camping, or small living spaces. This significant difference in portability makes the portable washer a standout choice for those on the go. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the portable washing machine have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The BLACK+DECKER offers a robust solution for regular laundry needs, while the portable washer excels in portability and convenience for travel. Depending on your lifestyle and laundry requirements, one may suit you better than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.